Okay, so here we are. We've got all of the pieces that we need to actually put this media sensor together. Before we actually put this together, let's talk about some of the things we have to make this actually work. Because there's a lot of IT involved in order for this to actually well work. And so we're not just really here to play movies, although that's something I like to do. We want to actually discuss the IT behind it all. And the power behind this entire system is this little bitty device right here called a Raspberry Pi. Now, this device is basically a small computer. It has a processor, it has RAM, 8 gigs of RAM to be exact. We have connections on the front. We have RJ45 Ethernet connections. We have USB 3.0 connections, and we have some USB 2. And we also have USB-C for powering up the device. And look at this, micro HDMI. So we can actually connect HDMI devices to this. We have 2 of those. So we have 2 HDMI ports. We have USB-C for power. We have Ethernet for wired connectivity. USB 3 to connect, well, we want a little bit faster hard drive than what's in there. But it's all stored on a compact SD flash card right there. So this SD card is the hard drive that stores the operating system and everything else we need to run on here. We don't want to really take our movies off of this. We need something a little bit faster, and that's why we're going to be using our USB 3.1 flash drive. We'll plug that in and we'll have some movies located on here, and they'll be able to propagate through the rest of our devices on the network. Speaking of propagating through the rest of the network, we need, well, this particular device here. This is our router, which actually has a switch built into it as well. So if we have other PC devices that we want to connect and view movies from, we'll connect to these ports right here. But nobody likes connected wired devices. We like Wi-Fi, right? So we have wireless as well, and we can connect to the wireless on this particular device and also view the movies, well, wirelessly. So once we connect all these things together, we will then be able to do the software portion. That's going to be done in a later video, but I did want to show you all of the hardware that is involved to make this actually work.